Hi, good morning. 8 p.m. right now at JE Resort at ano nga to? Louisiana, Laguna. So, my PA for today. Meet Peter. Hi, Peter. Peter John Paul Cruz in the house. Yan, he's one of my good friends na mga actors at yung mga naririnig niyo sa background, yun ang mga nagtatantrums na kids. Anyway, let me show you around. This is the forest behind the resort. At of course, meron ding pool dito na hindi ko ma-enjoy dahil naka-work mode tayo. See you later. Chill muna. I'll show you around. We are here for a shoot para sa To Farm Film Festival. Meron din silang video, okay? So kung makapunta kayo dito sa area ng Louisiana, you can also visit itong JE Resort. Here is the poolside na hindi natin ma-enjoy. As usual, naka-work mode po tayo. And nandito yung mga ibang kasamahan natin. Ang media, and also Tito Lou Veloso. Hello po, Tito Robert, Trixie, kaway-kaway. This is my vlog for Mommy Star. And dito yung pantry area namin. At sila ngayon ang nagluluto ng aming lunch. Good morning po!
Sumusunod daw ako.
Yes, I'm just showing around the JE Resort because I have a YouTube channel sa Mommy Star po. Siya po si Tito Robert. Tito Robert, say hello. Ayan, medyo malawak po yung resort na to at I guess we rented this whole resort kasi dito na yung staff and production. So this is the whole resort as you can see behind me. Yan. Yes. So, napakaganda ng ambient. Yun nga lang, pag nandito ka, wala kang signal, walang wifi. Parang, pag nag-shoot ka lang sa Tanay Rizal, it's just the same. Yan. So, lahat po ng mga isushoot namin dito na sa area na to, this is just the standby area of the actors. So, nandito lang kami pag walang take. Pero pag may take, syempre, sasakay kami sa van. Those are our vans and we'll go to the venue. Doon kami mag-shoot. So, I would like to say also special thanks to our director, Direct Bryant. Maraming salamat po sa pag-iingat sa amin. At inilagay kami sa maayos na lugar as well. Diba? Yan ang mga director po namin dito sa filming. They make sure na maayos ang kanilang mga actors so that when we work, syempre, nandun ang full blast energy natin. So again, mga Mars and guys, abangan nyo po ang Sinandoming coming to you this year. Directed by Direct Bryant. Yan. And hopefully mapanood nyo po. It is an entry for the To Farm Film Festival. Para po dun sa mga nakalimot na kung paano magsaka, yung mga sinauna pong ginagawa natin beforehand pa. So, this is just a reminder for us na syempre, maaari pa rin natin balikan ang mga dating pamumuhay ng mga ninuno natin noong unang panahon. So, thank you very much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more details and more updates regarding Sinandoming. Bye! Heyo, mga Mars! Yung isa po, nagbumili lang. Magla-lunch na kami right now. At ito si ate nag-prepare. Hi, Ate Cecil. Tama ba?
Maricel.
Ay, sorry. Hi, Ate Maricel. Kasi may memory gap ako sa names. And also, meet Gab, my sister.
Hi!
Yan, si Gab. At ito ang aming menu for today. This one is called, ate? What is this?
Ensalada. Ito, ensalada po.
Ensaladang,
Latok ba yan?
ensaladang squid.
Seaweeds po pala, seaweeds.
Oh, the seaweeds. This one is ensaladang seaweeds.
Pero po yung may itlog na maalat.
Oh my God! And also,
Gigi.
hi there. Say hi. This is a live covered shorba. And also with the small fish called
JJ.
JJ. Kasi dahil nandito kami sa JE Resort, so pagkain namin JJ. Oh my God! At meron kaming sabaw. It's called the tinola. Ayan. At kami kakain na. Abangan ang epic na kainan na Kamayan Ever ni Tech.
Kamayan.
Bye-bye! Hi. Meet my daughter's son.
Nakcha.
Ah!
It's my Nakcha.
Yan. At ang aking hairdresser.
The beautiful
At the makeup artist, of course. Intercourse. Yan. We're here at the set. So, having makeup. Hindi siya makapag-makeup ng gusto dahil nagpa-vlog tayo. But anyway, push para makita niyo lang mga Mars kung ano ginagawa sa set. So habang nagkakagulo sila, nagme-makeup kami dito habang merong Ulanis Morissette dito sa Louisiana, Laguna.